Okay, guys, what is up? It is me, Adrian, with my sister Angelina and my brother, and today's Canada Day with fireworks. Happy Canada Day!
Happy Canada Day!
Yep. If any of you are in Canada, you are in luck because it's Canada Day. This is the day Canada was discovered.
Let me rant a little.
Okay,
to all of you
fine.
people that try to cancel Canada Day, look what happened. Do you hear that? That's the sound of fireworks.
I'm gonna tell you something, guys.
We will never cancel this day. There's no reason.
Wait.
Guys,
We will never cancel this beautiful day.
Yeah.
yo guys, I need to tell you something. So you guys, if you guys don't like Canada Day, you guys are dumb. But if you do,
Whoa.
then you guys are cool. So you make sure if this is talking about
Oh my gosh! Okay. Oh. Look at that. That's so cool. And so let's move out of the trees, okay? We can't see the big ones, so
Wait! Yeah, Ethan, help! Grab you some stuff! I'm not holding everything! Go on the slide!
I don't want to go on the slide. I want to stay right here.
Aiden, go on the slide!
no.
Yeah,
You
because
guys can go on the slide. I'm going to stay here.
No, I'm gonna stay here with that. And you. Oh, okay. Now we can see the big ones if they ever happen. Ooh, wow. You know, I love fireworks because they're pretty and colorful. Why do you like fireworks? Whoa!
Don't do it, H.
Don't do it. Ah! Ah! That sounds like a seal.
What do you mean don't do it?
He does a firework alarm where he screams.
Oh, look at that thing. How cool is that? How cool is that little thing over there? So cool. Oh, more fireworks. But there is people over there. I think those are the people lighting the fireworks.
Oh, right there. Right there. This one's going to be big. I can tell.
Ah! And let's move even more out of the trees. It's this tree is still in the way, so I want to move more out of the trees. Okay?
What do you mean? Grab your things, H. I'm grabbing the Fanny.
Oh.
Ah! Yeah! 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 Yes! Yeah! Happy Canada Day! Yeah! Steam! Oh my God! Look at all the lens flares! And look how cool! Lens flares. There's so many lens flares. Let me sit down. Okay, now we'll be able to see them perfectly.
Excuse me.
Yeah. I'll see you.
Almost hit us.
Whoa! 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 Yeah! 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 Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, like and leave a comment, subscribe. I am gonna make a part 2 video. And I have to make a TikTok video for my TikTok. So goodbye from Adrian Sullivan. I'll come right back.